How do you play your first note on the alto saxophone? Hi, Kadrian here from KadrianThomas.com, bringing you the best tips and tools to help you hone your craft and improve your playing as a beginner saxophone player. So if you watched my previous videos, you would have learned how to set up your horn, how to hold the horn properly with your left and right hand. Now you're going to learn to play your first note. Now, you want to adjust your strap so that the saxophone comes to you and not you going to the saxophone like so. So you want to adjust, then the mouthpiece, I want you to take your first index finger on your right and I want you to just bring it to your mouth like this and just rest it on your lip, and then you're going to bite down with your teeth and close. So again, and close. That is exactly what you're going to do. So you're going to bring your teeth to bite on the top of the mouthpiece, but you're not going to go too far. You're going to go about a halfway in on the mouthpiece. So here we go. Relax on the bottom lip, and then teeth, and then close. So you want to tighten your jaws on the mouthpiece so that no air is escaping. And when you're breathing, I don't want you to use any pocket of air from your jaws, but you're blowing from your stomach. So, and usually as saxophone players, we take the breath through our mouths instead of our nostrils because you get more air. So take a big breath. So go on the sax. Big breath. Close. Tighten. Then you're going to hold your sax in place and you're not going to depress any of the keys. You're just going to play one note. So here we go. So that's C sharp without depressing any of the keys. That's your C sharp. Now we're going to play another note, which is your first index finger on the left. So we're going to do the same thing, and that is going to be your B. Again, relax. Middle finger on the second key, we're going to depress it, and that's going to be your A. You're going to depress, and you're going to play your G. Then you're going to keep holding down all those three, and you're going to go to the first index finger on your right, and that is going to be your F. Then you're going to hold down again with your middle finger, and you're going to go to E. And then the last one, which is your ring finger on your right hand, you're going to depress that. So you're holding all these keys, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and that is going to be D. And there you go. That's how you play your first notes on the saxophone. Remember, like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Peace out.